Hey guys, so today's gonna be like a little card making kind of day. I have a few projects in mind, but I wanted to come show you real quick some cards that I made using Alinacutle dies. Right now she is doing the hot foil plates. So you need a hot machine. It's like a hot foil machine to use this, but I'm gonna show you how pretty it looks. Then I also use this one here that says Merry Christmas. I use this one. I use the word thanks. These really cute butterflies. And then this one here is like a 3-layered die set. It's all butterflies. Really cute. So you layer these up to make a card. Let me show you real quick the one with the layering. You see how pretty? So you use 3 different papers and that's the effect it gives you. That's the word thanks. And then all those butterflies, they cut out. So I use one of the little ones there. And then the other butterflies are those right there. They're really cute. I love this one. So if you guys love butterflies, this is definitely a must. You can change all the colors. Really cute die. Then I made this one here, and this is just a really quick one. This is the one using the Merry Christmas. I just cut it in half and did it like a corner. These are the houses. You could paper paste these if you want. And I just added the white little snowflakes. Then this is the one using the hot foil. You see how pretty that foiling? She also sells the foil. Do you see the sparkle? I hope you guys can see it. And that is using this one here. So it's like a hot plate. It's not a die. You need the machine and you need the foil to give it that look. But I just love the way it looks. But yeah, just a really quick little project share. I have more Christmas dies that I need to make projects with. But I just wanted to come and show you these real quick. Okay, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.